Hello everybody, this is Dr. Kukreja Kalani from Kent Homeopathy. Today I'll be speaking about vitiligo. So what are the causes of vitiligo and what is the role of homeopathy in treating vitiligo? So it's basically the pigment loss. It's the melanin pigment which gives color to the skin. Because of its reduction, you get white patches on the face, back, neck, legs, even on the mouth and scalp. So what are the causes of vitiligo? The cause is unknown, but we can definitely have, we can relate it to the genetic link. So if the parents have had vitiligo, then the children are likely to develop it. Secondly, it has been seen to be associated with autoimmune disorders like say arthritis or diabetes type 1. And also we should mention in case there are any hormonal disturbances like thyroid fluctuation or diseases related to thyroid, so then also people are prone to vitiligo. In case they've had any debilitating illnesses like an acute illness, dengue, malaria, typhoid, which leaves the patient very weak and the immune system is quite compromised, these are the cases we have seen the vitiligo to appear. Then there are causes such as exposure to the sun or the beach water can prove corrosive, and also because of contact with some chemicals. So these are the external factors which can result into vitiligo. Now if we have to describe as to how homeopathy can help treat vitiligo, since it is associated with the autoimmune diseases, so the stress is one part that we have to take into consideration if it is present in the case. So anything related to the emotions, so say suppressed emotions or bad effects of long-term grief, or if the patient has had say bad effects of insults, disappointment in love, or any financial worries, so anything which has been troubling the patient for very long has to be taken into consideration when we search for the say constitutional medicine in homeopathy. Then the underlying causes, so we have to address the underlying cause, that is the thyroid or the diabetes or the arthritis or any other autoimmune problem if it is present in the system. One very important thing we have noted is the physiological error. So if the discharges of the patient are very acrid, also because of this we have seen it eats away the melanin pigment. So because we treat the immunity of the patient, the prognosis of the disease is good. The main aim of the treatment is to stop the progression of the illness. Because of its holistic approach, the patient benefits in the long run. We can stop the recurrence of the patches. So we should always think about homeopathy in cases of chronic problem of say pigment loss or vitiligo. Thank you.